Okay, in this video, we're gonna review steps to log in to Flipgrid and create a grid. There are two ways to log in. One is just directly go to flipgrid.com. Another way is to just go to Clever and find the icon and click on it. So we're gonna try from Clever. That's the most common and easier one as a teacher, obviously as a student too. And in order to do that, I just go, as you know, go to the district website. From there, under the student tab, student portal. Here, I find the Flipgrid icon. As you know, Clever is a toolbox. It has a bunch of icons, which has a shortcut to website or different apps available to the students and teacher. So everybody's screen would be different, but everybody would have a Flipgrid icon, which I'm click on it, and it takes me to this site. Okay, as you see, this is the main page or dashboard. You see in the middle, these are the grids that I already created, a couple of them. Your screen may look different. Probably you're not gonna have anything unless you start creating grids. But just to review, on the top, there are different tabs, my activities. So we're gonna mainly work on this one, my grids. But just briefly to review all of this, my activity shows your activity, how many grids you created, how many video you have, and some other links. So then mix tapes, or you can hear all the tapes or the video that the student sent you. You can mix them up selectively, mix them up in one tape or one long video, depending on the topics you discussed. Here, hashtag Grid Pals, it takes you to the community and a map or how many basically educator or students are enrolled. As of now, as you see, 23,929, and that's the map. And these are the links. You can connect with them as a community. This library is the predefined valuable topics, titles that you can use. When you create your topics, the first one is going to be obviously the default one. It's going to give it to you, but you can always change it to any other ones. Shorts is another one that you can create a very short video quickly and send it to anybody, Facebook, Google, and share it on basically social media. So we're going to go back here to my grid, and we're going to start by creating a new grid. So to do that, I'm going to click on the add new ones. And right here, I have to basically fill up a couple of boxes and select a couple of other options. So let's say if I want to just call it Flipgrid for teachers. You can name it anything you want, but I'll go with that. So I want to distinguish between the other ones I have. And here, the next option is basically a student's email and the username. Since our students using the email, we have to go with this one, the school email. Otherwise, if they don't have an email, we can go with the student IDs. We create like a combination of letters and numbers for each student. Or if the adults are going to use our grids, we're going to go with the public and PLCs that they requires the email right here and the password. But we're going to go with the school email for students. And as we do that, the code is already created for us. And since we part of the basically school domain, there is no password needed. So all we need to give to students is this code. So I'm going to click next. And this is the domain. Anything after @ and part of the email is called domain. Since everybody within this domain of Newark Public School, so that's basically that's what it is. The students already enrolled. Anybody with this email domain can join. Otherwise, not available for others. So I want to click next, and right here is already been created, and that's my code. I can copy it if I want here, which is my name, last name, and the number. Or I can basically copy it right here, and I can go to the grid. By default, one topic has been created, as you see here. So topic is basically, imagine the grid is like a classroom you created, let's say Google Classroom. And topic is assignment. But everything is in a format of video. So I can edit the topic, add description by going here. This is the name. This is the default welcome message, because I can change it if I want. This is a recording time. By default is a 90 seconds, but I have an option to change it from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. I assume all would be available for the students. We're going to find out in case there is a limitation, but I doubt it. Video moderation is an option. If you turn it on here like this, you're able to control the video before you publish it. So a student sends you video, you see it, you review it, then you publish it basically. If you turn this option on, the video is not going to be run automatically. You have to do it manually after checking it. So by default is off. So that's the way to control video. Sometimes there is, like, whatever the reason is, you don't want that video to be published, you just don't activate it. But in order to do that, you have to turn this one on for any topics. So I put it back here. There are some additional information here. Topic tips, activities. You can hide it, you can freeze it, so it's not going to show. There are some video options here. Selfie, you can basically activate the selfie. By default, the selfie is activated by the end of each video. The selfie is taken, and that would be the cover page of that video. There are different options here. We don't want to go too deep in them now. But the last thing, basically, I want to show you is you have an option to delete and update. In case you did any changes, you can save it. So update is pretty much saving. We're going to save it regardless here. We're going back right here. Okay. Let's go back to the main page. Okay, this is the one I just created. I go back here, and that's my topic. So a student's how do students see that? If I click on this view as a student, it's gonna take me to another page. So a student would be here, and they need to log in using the Google account by clicking here. It's going to basically sign in for Google. Okay, here I have to sign in with my account. I select if I have a list of them, I go with the one I want to log in, which is obviously going to be my own. And then I log in. As I log in, I'm going to be in like a student view now. Actually, this is where we're going to join other grids. So I had the grid and the code, and we're going to Okay, this is, I signed in as a student. Here I see the main page and a main grid. And from here, I can add the video. Start recording by clicking on this plus sign. As I click over here, when Windows open, activate my camera, and I can start recording and use all the buttons. Filter, whiteboard, if the student doesn't want to basically their picture to show, they click on a whiteboard or filter or attach the pictures and so on. And again, it's 90 seconds. If I start now, I can record. But these are the options we have over here. Okay, after we click on that plus sign, we're going to be here. Here, the camera would open automatically, and we're going to be in a recording page. So, as you see here, we have 90 seconds, as we saw on a setting by default, to record the video. There are some settings here. We can start now, any of this, or during the recording. So, there's a filter, text, sticker, drawing options with the different colors on the pictures, and blackboard or whiteboard, and we can also add photo stickers. So this icon here, that's how you start the video. If I want to do it now, so basically from here, it start 90 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's recording now. So I can say whatever I want to say, but for the sake of this video, I just want to show you a few things here. Again, filters, you have option to go with a different type of filter you have here. As you see, this is basically functional filter. I can go this one if I don't want to show basically my face clearly, I do it. And if I want to close the filter, click here. I can select the text here, size, or I can add emoji sticker, a couple of them. Then I can move it around anywhere I want. And blackboard and whiteboard. That's a whiteboard. If the students don't have a camera on their computer, that's the option to go. You're not going to see their picture, but they still can talk and draw something and whatever they want to do. And also it could turn to blackboard. Same thing, but in black. I can pause and continue here. Let's say I have 13 seconds left. I pause it and I close Blackboard and back to my pictures. I can delete anything I don't want again. Just highlight and press play. So yes, as you see here, I have 13 seconds left. I continue. And whatever the topic is, we talk about it, the students talk about it, and then record, save, and send it to me. So as the video finishes here after 90 seconds, okay, it's recording now. It plays. So I can say whatever I want to say, but for the sake of this. All right. Now we're gonna save and take a selfie automatically and send it. So if I click next here, okay, let's see. All right, let's see. It's my selfie. Next. I can name it. Title, optional, anything I want. And submit. As I submit it, is going to be added to the page and complete. And the teacher would show that, but it's going to basically make sure activate it. Depends if it's by default or not. Then we're going to see it in the main page, and other students are going to see it. Okay, now this is our grid, and this is my video pertain to that topic we had, and I just created, I sent it. This is how the class is going to look like. The grade, obviously I'm the only one here in this class, and that's why you see me. As other students add their video, it's going to be basically populated, and you will see many video. And if I want to play it, I just click on it. Okay, it's recording now, so I can say whatever I want to say. So I can fast forward it. And if I want to close the filter, click here. And that's it. That's about it. Thank you.